Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Greek baklava at home using an easy method. First, ensure your phyllo dough is thawed in the refrigerator overnight. You'll need about 1 pound. Next, finely chop 2 cups of your favorite nuts, like walnuts or pistachios. Finally, melt 1 cup of unsalted butter and clarify it to remove milk solids, which helps prevent sogginess and adds a rich flavor to your baklava. Now, let's get to layering. Take a 9x 13-inch baking pan and generously brush the bottom and sides with your clarified butter. Carefully place 1 sheet of phyllo dough in the pan, then brush it lightly with butter. Repeat this process for 8 to 10 sheets, creating your base. After the base is set, sprinkle 1/3 of your chopped nut mixture evenly over the buttered phyllo layers. Continue building your baklava by adding another 6 to 8 buttered phyllo sheets, followed by the second third of your nut mixture. Repeat this sequence one more time. For the top, layer 10 to 12 phyllo sheets, ensuring each is brushed with butter. Before baking, use a sharp knife to carefully cut the baklava into diamond or square shapes, going all the way through the layers. Bake your baklava in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 to 60 minutes, or until it's beautifully golden brown and crispy. While it bakes, prepare a simple syrup with 2 cups of sugar, 1 1/4 cups of water, and a squeeze of lemon. Once the baklava is out of the oven, immediately pour the warm syrup over the hot pastry. Let it cool completely for several hours before serving. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.